एसपीटी लाइव।
नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं एसपीटी लाइव। आज का दिन मिजोरम के इतिहास की में सुनहरे अक्षरों में दर्ज हो गया है। एक ऐसा दिन जब उत्तर पूर्व की धरती ने विकास और प्रगति की नई उड़ान भरी। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने आज मिजोरम के आइजोल से 9,000 करोड़ रुपए से अधिक की विकास परियोजनाओं का शिलान्यास और उद्घाटन किया। इन परियोजनाओं में रेलवे, सड़क, खेल, शिक्षा और ऊर्जा जैसी अहम सौगातें शामिल हैं, जो न केवल मिजोरम बल्कि पूरे नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लिए बदलाव का प्रतीक बनेगी। सबसे बड़ी बात तो यह है, आज आइजोल भारत के रेलवे मानचित्र पर दर्ज हो गया है, यानी अब मिजोरम का सपना हकीकत बन गया है। प्रधानमंत्री ने अपने संबोधन में कहा कि यह सिर्फ रेल लाइन या सड़क नहीं बल्कि जीवन और भविष्य को बदलने वाली कड़ियां हैं। इन कड़ियों से जुड़ेगा रोजगार, व्यापार, शिक्षा, स्वास्थ्य और पर्यटन का नया युग। आइए अब आपको दिखाते हैं प्रधानमंत्री के संबोधन की कुछ अहम झलकियां और उन बड़ी योजनाओं का पूरा विवरण, जिसमें मिजोरम और पूरा उत्तर पूर्व विकास की नई राह पर आगे बढ़ेगा।
Thank you so much. माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी, मिजोरम की माननीय राज्यपाल जनरल डॉक्टर विजय कुमार सिंह, PVSM, AVSM, YSM, माननीय श्री ललदोमा मिजोरम के मुख्यमंत्री, माननीय श्री अश्विनी वैष्णव भारत सरकार की रेलवे, सूचना और प्रसारण एवं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स और सूचना और प्रौद्योगिकी के मंत्री, Dr. Vanlal Chana, Minister, High and Technical Education, Governor of Mizoram, Honorable Shri K. Vanlal Vena, Member of Parliament, and Honorable Shri Richard Vanlal Mangaya, Member of Parliament. मिजोरम सरकार के मंत्रियों, विधानसभा के सदस्य, गणमान्य व्यक्तियों, अधिकारियों, भाइयों और बहनों, welcome to the historic event of the inauguration and laying of foundation stones for the various central government projects worth more than rupees 9,000 crores and the flagging off of 3 new railway services in the state of Mizoram. To commence this auspicious occasion, I would like to kindly request the Honorable Home Minister, Governor of Mizoram, Puke Sapdanga, to kindly felicitate the Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi ji. Kanzavain kutilaw beng ang u.
Thank you. This is the close order only.
Diar le lalpuan kan Home Minister in ape ani.
This is we call Funke. Yeah, that's okay.
Funki te ape bokani. Thank you for the kind gesture. And now allow me to call on the Honorable Shri Ashwini Vaishnav, Union Minister for Railways, Information and Broadcasting, and Electronics and Information and Technology to deliver his welcome speech. Kanzavain kut beng ini lolom.
Chibai. Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Governor General V.K. Singh ji, Honorable Chief Minister Shri Lal Duhoma ji, Honorable Ministers, Members of Parliament, distinguished guests, friends from the media, good morning. Chibai, hello Mizoram. Welcome to this historic day. Today, Mizoram capital gets railway connectivity. I congratulate all of you collected here in thousands to this great historic day. The Bairivi-Sarang railway line was a very, very challenging project. It includes 45 tunnels and 55 major bridges. It is practically a series of bridges and tunnels. There's a bridge, there's a tunnel. Then there is a bridge, then there is a tunnel. It's like that. That's the way this line is built because of the Himalayan mountains and the deep valleys. In fact, one bridge in Mizoram is taller than Qutub Minar in Delhi. This line will now connect Mizoram with Guwahati, Kolkata, and Delhi and many other destinations. Today, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji will start 3 new trains. First, Rajdhani Express to New Delhi. Second, Mizoram Express to Guwahati. Third, Kolkata Mizoram Express to Kolkata. Friends, the railway connectivity will help the entire country experience this beautiful natural beauty of Mizoram. Tourist arrivals will increase. Homestay will become very popular. New jobs will be created, friends. And we are also starting cargo operations within this week. Cost of cement will reduce. Cost of steel will reduce. Time taken to bring the daily household items will significantly reduce. What used to take days will now be done in hours. And above all, we are also starting one refrigerated coach. The beautiful turmeric, the beautiful ginger, and the very, very unique fruits of Mizoram will now find new markets. Friends, all this was possible because of our beloved Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji's strong leadership and firm commitment for Mizoram. I request you all to stand up and say, "Kalo mein Modi ji." Please stand up, all of you. Say, "Kalo mein Modi ji." Say with me, "Kalo mein Modi ji." Kalo mein Modi ji. Thank you, Modi ji. Thank you so much, friends. Friends, development of Northeast started when our Prime Minister Modi ji started the Act East policy. Before that, it was only Look East. Modi ji started Act East. I'll give you one example. Before 2014, the budget for railway for Northeast was only 2,000 crore. Only 2,000 crore. Modi ji increased it 5 times to 10,000 crore. That is the Act East policy of Modi ji. Today, railway projects of 77,000 crore rupees are undergoing construction in the entire Northeast. That is our Prime Minister's doctrine of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, Sabka Prayas. Friends, together we will all work to make prosperous Mizoram. Once again, I welcome you all to this historic day. Thank you. Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Kalo mein. Namaskar.
उनकी हार्दिक स्वागत के लिए माननीय केंद्रीय मंत्री जी को हम धन्यवाद देते हैं. And now I kindly request the Honorable Chief Minister of Mizoram, Pulal Duoma, to address the gathering. Kan Chief Minister Zaum Takkan Some.
Respected Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Governor of Mizoram General V.K. Singh ji, Honorable Union Minister for Railways Sri Ashwini Vaishnaw ji, esteemed colleagues, distinguished guests, and my beloved people of Mizoram. Today is a historic day for our state. We are deeply honored to welcome the Honorable Prime Minister to Mizoram for the inauguration of the Bhairabi-Sairang Railway and Sairang Railway Station, a landmark achievement that marks a new chapter in our journey toward connectivity and progress. Honorable Prime Minister, your presence here today is a powerful symbol of your unwavering commitment to the development of the Northeast and to the vision of an inclusive, connected India. This railway line is more than a feat of engineering. It is a symbol of inclusion, a national integration, and of the shared aspirations of our people. It brings Mizoram closer to the rest of India and India closer to the hopes of Mizoram. We also thank the Honorable Railway Minister, Sri Ashwini Vaishnaw ji, for his tireless efforts in bringing this project to completion. The 51.38 kilometer stretch, built through some of the most challenging terrain in the country, is a remarkable achievement and stands as a testament to engineering excellence and human perseverance. To the Railway Board, the engineers, the workers, and the local communities who made this possible, we salute your dedication. You have built more than a railway line, you have built a lifeline for Mizoram. We also pause to pay solemn tribute to the railway workers who tragically lost their lives in the mishap of August 2023. Their sacrifice is etched into the very soil of this project. They did not just build bridges and tunnels, they laid down their lives in service of a vision larger than themselves. We offer our deepest condolences to their families. Honorable Prime Minister, we are also grateful for your inauguration of several other key projects that touch the heart of our communities. They are not just infrastructure, they are investments in our children's future, in the dignity of our citizens, and in the economic resilience of our state. The impact of these projects will be far-reaching, bridging between dreams and reality, between Mizoram and Bharat. We are proud to have worked closely with the central government to bring these developments to life. And today, Honorable Prime Minister, we wish to place on record our sincere appreciation not only for these projects, but for the way you and your colleagues in the Government of India have consistently lent a listening ear to our concerns. Your willingness to understand our hardships and extend support whenever possible has not gone unnoticed. It has strengthened our trust and reaffirmed our belief in cooperative federalism. Mizoram values this partnership built on empathy, responsiveness, and mutual respect, and we look forward to nurturing it further in the years ahead. Your guiding principle of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, Sabka Prayas finds a living example here today. Mizoram stands with you in this journey, and we thank you for standing with us. To my fellow citizens, Let us embrace this movement with unity and purpose. Let us use these new opportunities to build a stronger, more connected Mizoram, one that honors our heritage while welcoming the future. Kalome Jai Hind.
Pulal duoma Mizoram Chief Minister zaom takchunga lom thu kan soya huai le rinom taka ram aka ishwaina hnuaya ma kan sonzel kan beise ani ये हमारा सौभाग्य है कि आज नई रेलवे लाइंस के साथ 2 और परियोजनाओं का उद्घाटन और 6 नई परियोजनाओं के शिलान्यास होने जा रहा है, जिसमें शामिल बैरबी साइरांग नई रेल लाइन, साथ ही रोड माइनॉरिटी एंड ट्राइबल कम्युनिटी के लिए एजुकेशन, स्पोर्ट्स, एनर्जी सेक्टर से जुड़े प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं। इस उत्साह भरी और ऐतिहासिक अवसर पर माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी से अनुरोध करती हूं कि वह रिमोट बटन दबाकर इन परियोजनाओं का उद्घाटन और शिलान्यास का अनावरण करें। The Honorable Prime Minister will push the button to unveil and mark the inauguration and laying foundation of stones for various projects from the central government in the state of Mizoram. Kan zawain kutibeng ang tunahian project ommek tur parukle zo sa pathum kan hong ahlung kan pumek ani. Let us witness a short film giving insights on these developmental projects. Achut Theyang.
The Northeast, celebrated as the nation's Ashtalakshmi for its cultural diversity and rich natural resources, is undergoing remarkable transformation, with Mizoram playing a key role. Over the past decade, the region has achieved major progress in road networks, railways, air transport, digital infrastructure, power transmission, and social sector development, boosting connectivity and prosperity. Railway investments have been crucial, with the budget for the Northeast increasing 5-fold since 2009 to 14.
एक समय था जब नॉर्थ ईस्ट को सिर्फ फ्रंटियर रीजन कहा जाता था। आज ये ग्रोथ का फ्रंट रनर बन रहा है।
And today, to bring the resolution of a developed India from a developed Northeast to fruition, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji is giving new impetus to the progress of Mizoram by giving the gift of development project worth more than 9,000 crore rupees, spanning railways, petroleum and natural gas, road infrastructure, minority and tribal affairs, youth programs and sports. Today is a historic day as the Bairabi Sairang rail line, whose foundation stone was laid in 2014 by the Honorable Prime Minister, is being inaugurated today, marking the fulfillment of the Prime Minister's commitment to improving Mizoram's connectivity. Traversing challenging terrain prone to seismic activity, the project features remarkable engineering with 143 bridges and 45 tunnels. Mizoram stands out with India's second highest railway pier bridge on the Bairabi Sairang line, exemplifying engineering excellence and regional progress. The rail line will facilitate efficient transport of goods while opening new markets for Mizoram's bamboo industry. Along with this, today Mizoram is also getting the gift of 3 new train services: Sairang to Delhi Rajdhani Express and express trains from Sairang to Guwahati and from Sairang to Kolkata. The Sairang Delhi Rajdhani Express is the first train to connect Mizoram's capital Aizawl with the national capital Delhi. This rail service is connecting Mizoram to Assam, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh and Delhi. Apart from this, other projects include laying of foundation stone for Aizawl Bypass Road, a 45-kilometer project to improve connectivity and reduce congestion in Aizawl city. Construction of a 30 TMT LPG bottling plant by IOCL at Mualkhang with a storage capacity of 900 MT LPG. Bridge construction over Chimtuipui River on Long Talai to Siaha Road via Tuipui Ferry. Thanzol Sialsuk Road Project, Khankon to Rongura Hoon Road Project, Khelo India Multipurpose Indoor Hall in Tuikual, and inauguration of residential school at Kwartha, Mamet District, Eklavya Model Residential School built in Talangnuang. With visionary guidance from Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, Mizoram and the Northeast are achieving unprecedented levels of development and connectivity, as developed Northeast is a prerequisite for developed India.
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का हम शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं। अब मैं माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी से अनुरोध करती हूं कि वे 3 रेल सेवाओं का हरी झंडी दिखाकर शुभ आरंभ करें। तुनाह्यान फ्लैगशिंग ही अवयंगा तिचुआन रेलवे सर्विस अरोन इंचन दोननी कंजवाइन रेमचुआन कंहौ तुपा स्क्रीना लंसुंग्यान लोडिंग जेलंग उ Nasatakin good bengila Mizoram in railway service ane ta ane tunahyan Rajdhani Express Sairanga changa Anand Vihar Delhi Akalchana Sairanga changa Guwahati Assam a flag of Megboka Sairanga changin Kolkata West Bengal rail Akalchan Megbok ane Voinhi Nitsinsia Tak, a milestone, a historic day in the history of Mizoram and transport and communication in India. Gudbin Thalawila, a Prime Minister is flagging off Good Ibeng Zelang Kanon Tok.
History has just been made, and we are thankful to the Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, for his vision, for his diligence, and the progress that he has brought into the Northeast, especially today into the state of Mizoram. भारत की घरेलू संपत्ति को 19
में लाने वाले भारत को 21वीं शताब्दी के सबसे बड़ी इकोनॉमी में शामिल करने वाले Making India Great with Make in India. Please welcome with a big round of applause the most progressive, the visionary, futuristic Karam Yogi, the greatest leader of our time, the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, to inspire us with his words. Kutbeng inilaw lomang u.
Namaste. Namaste. Governor of Mizoram, V.K. Singh ji, Chief Minister Sri Lal Duhama ji, my colleague in the Union Cabinet, Sri Ashwini Vaishnav ji, ministers of the Mizoram government, MPs, and other elected representatives. Greeting to the wonderful people of Mizoram. I bow to Supreme God Pathyan, who watches over this beautiful land of the Blue Mountains. I am here at Mizoram's Lengpui Airport unfortunately, due to bad weather, I'm sorry that I am not able to join you at Aizawl. But I can feel your love and affection even from this medium. Friends, whether it is the freedom movement or nation building, the people of Mizoram have always come forward to contribute. The ideals of people like Lalnu Ropai Lianji and Pathalta Khuangchera continue to inspire the nation. Sacrifice and service, courage and compassion, these values are at the center of Mizo society. Today, Mizoram is playing an important role in India's development journey. Friends, this is a historic day for the nation, particularly for the people of Mizoram. From today, Aizawl will be on India's railway map. A few years ago, I had the opportunity of laying the foundation stone for the Aizawl railway line. And today, we proudly dedicate it to the people of the nation. Overcoming many challenges, including difficult terrain, this Bairabi-Sairang rail line has become a reality. The skills of our engineers and the spirit of our workers made this possible. Friends, our hearts have always been directly connected with each other. Now, for the first time, Sairang in Mizoram will be connected directly with Delhi by the Rajdhani Express. This is not just a railway connection, but it is a lifeline of transformation. It will revolutionize the lives and livelihoods of the people of Mizoram. Farmers and businesses of Mizoram can reach more markets across the nation. People will be able to access more options for education and healthcare. This will also create employment opportunities in tourism, transport, and hospitality sectors. Friends, for a long time, some political parties in our country practice vote bank politics. Their focus was always on places which had more votes and seats. The entire Northeast, including states like Mizoram, suffered greatly because of this attitude. But our approach is very different. Those who were earlier neglected are at the forefront now. Those who were once marginalized are the mainstream now. For the past 11 years, we have been working for the development of the Northeast. This region is becoming the growth engine of India. Friends, over the years, many states of the Northeast have been put on the rail map of India. For the first time, rural roads and highways, mobile connectivity and internet connections, electricity, tap water and LPG connections. The government of India has worked hard to strengthen all kinds of connectivity. Mizoram will also benefit from the Udan scheme for air travel. Soon, helicopter service will begin here. This will improve access to remote areas of Mizoram. Friends, Mizoram has a major role in both our Act East policy and the emerging Northeast Economic Corridor. With the Kaladan multimodal transit transport project and Serang Humang Buchehua rail line, Mizoram will also get connected to the Bay of Bengal through Southeast Asia. Due to this, trade and tourism will be boosted across Northeast India and Southeast Asia. Friends, Mizoram is blessed with talented youth. Our work is to empower them. Our government has already started 11 Eklavya residential schools here. Work is going to start 6 more schools. Our Northeast is also becoming a major hub for startups. I am happy that around 4,500 startups and 25 incubators are operating in the region. Young people of Mizoram are actively joining this movement and creating new opportunities for themselves and others. Friends, India is quickly becoming an important hub for global sports. This is also creating a sports economy in the country. Mizoram has a wonderful tradition of sports, producing many champions in football and all other sports. Our sports policies are benefiting Mizoram as well. Under the Khelo India scheme, we are supporting the creation of modern sports infrastructure. Recently, our government has also come out with a national sports policy, Khelo India Khel Niti. This will open new doors of opportunities for the youth of Mizoram. Friends, whether in our country or abroad, it gives me great happiness to play the role of an ambassador of the beautiful culture of the Northeast. Encouraging platforms that showcase the potential of the Northeast is important. A few months ago, I had the opportunity to participate in the Ashtalakshmi festival in Delhi. It showcased the textiles, crafts, GI tag products, and tourism potential of the Northeast. At the Rising Northeast Summit, I encourage investors to tap into the potential of the Northeast. The summit is opening up the path for massive investment and projects. When I talk about being vocal for local, it greatly benefits the artisans and farmers of the Northeast too. Mizoram's bamboo products, organic ginger, turmeric, and bananas are well known. Friends, we are constantly taking steps to boost ease of living and ease of doing business. Recently, next generation GST reforms have been announced. This means lower taxes on many products, making life easier for families. Before 2014, even daily essential like toothpaste, soap, and oil were taxed at 27%. Today, only 5% GST is applicable. During Congress rule, medicines, test kits, and insurance policies were heavily taxed. That is why healthcare was expensive and insurance was out of reach for ordinary families. But today, all these have become affordable. The new GST rates will also make medicines for serious diseases like cancer more inexpensive. After September 22nd, cement and construction materials will also become cheaper. Many companies that manufacture scooters and cars have already reduced prices. I am sure that the festive season this time will be even more vibrant across the nation. Friends, as part of the reforms, GST on most hotels had been reduced to only 5%. Traveling to various places, staying in hotels, and eating out will become cheaper. This will help more people travel, explore, and enjoy different parts of our country. Tourist hubs like the Northeast will particularly benefit from it. Friends, our economy has seen a growth of 7.8% in the first quarter of 25-26. It means India is the fastest growing major economy in the world. We are also seeing the growth of Make in India and exports. During Operation Sindoor, you all saw how our soldiers taught a lesson to those who sponsored terror. The whole nation was filled with a sense of pride about our armed forces. In this operation, Made in India weapons played a significant role in protecting our country. The growth of our economy and manufacturing sector is very important for our national security. Friends, our government is committed to the welfare of every citizen, every family, and every region. It is through the empowerment of the people that a developed India will be built. In this journey, I am confident that the people of Mizoram will play a very important role. Once again, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to you all and welcome Aizawl to the railway map of India. Today, due to the weather, I could not come to Aizawl, but I'm sure that we will meet very soon. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, आपके प्रेरणादायक और उत्साहित शब्दों।
Thank you for all that you do for the state of Mizoram. And we would also like to show our gratitude to the Railway Minister who had made this historic event possible. ये हमारा सौभाग्य है कि आप मिजोरम में आए। हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप फिर से इन वादियों में पधारेंगे। Please welcome back to this land of the Blue Mountain, and we also hope that wherever you may be, you will leave no stones unturned for the progress and development of the state of Mizoram. Thank you so much, Pradhan Mantri ji. With that, we've come to the end of this auspicious occasion. Let us all rise as the Prime Minister leave the screen. All the
तो आपने देखा प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी का मिजोरम के लिए यह ऐतिहासिक तोहफा। अब आइजोल सीधे भारत की रेल मानचित्र से जुड़ चुका है। यह परियोजनाएं न सिर्फ मिजोरम बल्कि पूरे उत्तर पूर्व को भारत के विकास का मुख्य धारा से मजबूत करेगी। फिलहाल के लिए इतना ही। देखते रहिए एसपीटी लाइव, आपकी आवाज हमारा वादा। सिस्टम को जगाना एसपीटी लाइव का इरादा। देखते रहिए एसपीटी लाइव और अपने क्षेत्र की किसी भी प्रकार की जन समस्याओं के लिए हमें संपर्क करें और हमारी वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।
SPT Live